Welcome to the skill building workshop on Arduino. I am Mr. Rahul Shimpi, RJ's World of Electronics, Nasik. In this session, we will learn connect a 7-segment display with Arduino, write a program to display from 0 to 9. We require some external devices such as 7-segment display, resistor, breadboard, and connecting wires. Display is an output device. There are many types of display. Let us see the 7-segment display. A 7-segment display is a form of electronics display device for displaying decimal numerals. 7-segment displays are widely used in digital clocks, electronics meters, basic calculators, and other electronics devices that display numerical information. It consists of 8 LEDs. Out of 7 LEDs are arranged in a rectangular fashion and one LED is a DP as shown in the slide. Each of the 7 LEDs is called a segment. The position and name of each segment is mentioned in the slide. There are two types of 7-segment display that are common anode and common cathode. Let us see the pin description of the display. It has 10 pins. At the top side there are 5 pins and at the bottom side there are 5 pins. The middle pin is common pin. At the top side from left to right, first pin is G segment, then F segment, then middle one is the common pin, then A segment and then B segment. At the bottom side from right to left, first pin is DP, that is decimal point, then C segment, then common pin, then D segment and then E segment. So, depends on the type of display, the middle pin has to connect either to the ground or positive voltage. For common anode type of display, connect common pin to the positive 5 volts and particular segment pin to the lower potential to glow a segment. For common cathode type of display, connect common pin to the ground and the particular segment pin to the higher potential to glow a segment. For example, to display number 4, so segment B, C, F and G are to be switched on and the remaining segments are required to be switched off. Let us see the truth table for both types of display. Truth table for common anode display. So the common terminal is connected to the VCC. So the particular segment need to be connected at lower potential. So to display 0, segment A, B, C, D, E, F need to connect at lower potential while G segment to the higher potential. So only G segment will be off and the remaining will be on. Likewise, this truth table contains the value from 0 to 9. This is the truth table for common cathode type of 7-segment display. In this display, the common terminal is connected to the ground potential. So, to glow a particular segment, for example, to display 0 on the common cathode display, we need to connect A, B, C, D, E, F to higher potential while the G segment to the lower potential. So, it will display 0 on the common cathode 7-segment display. Likewise, this truth table contains the value from 0 to 9. Now let us see the details of the circuit connection. In circuit diagram, common anode type of display is used so that common pin has to connect to the 5 volt. Segment A is connected to the digital pin 2 of Arduino. Segment B is connected to the digital pin 3 of Arduino. Segment C is connected to the digital pin 4 of Arduino. Segment D is connected to the digital pin of 5 of Arduino. Segment E is connected to the digital pin 6 of Arduino. Segment F is connected to the digital pin 7 of Arduino. Segment G is connected to the digital pin 8 of Arduino. DP is connected to the digital pin 9 of Arduino. Also, a resistor is used to limit the current flow into the segment. Let me show you the demonstration. I have connected the 7 segment display as per the circuit diagram shown in the slide. Now we have to write a program for this circuit to display 0 to 9. Let me explain the program. First, configure the pins of the Arduino as output. As all pins are connected to the 7 segment display, so 7 segment display is nothing but the arrangement of LEDs, and LED is the output device. So we need to configure all the pins of Arduino as an output pins. To configure the pin as an input or output, we have the inbuilt function, that is pin mode. So type pin mode open bracket 2 comma output bracket close semicolon. Similarly, again we need to make pin number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as an output pin. So type the pin mode function and make the particular pin as an output pin. So I have typed here pin mode open bracket 3 comma output bracket close semicolon. Similarly for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So first I want to display 0. So segment A, B, C, D, E and F are to be switched on, and segment G is required to be switched off. These lines of code will display 0. Copy and paste the same code and change the value in digital write function. Modify as per the truth table to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These lines of code will display 0 to 9 with a delay of 1 second. Let us save this program. The next step is to compile and upload the program. So, compile and upload. Click on Upload button. It will compile our code. Then it will upload the code into the microcontroller. The RX and TX LEDs blink for a while. It indicates the transmission is on. We can see the output on the display. It displaying 0 to 9 continuously. This is up counting. If you want to display from 9 to 0, we have to modify the code in the loop function. First, we need to call the code for the 9, then 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and lastly 0. So write a code in a reverse manner in the loop function. Let me show you the demonstration. Now see the output. It displaying in the reverse manner, that is down counting. First it will display 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. This brings us to the end of this session. Thank you.